Food and Beverage Show 2025 at the Singapore Changi Expo, and there's so many halls to get to. I think it starts from hall number 3 and goes all the way to hall number 7, I think, from all over the world. So you got international pavilions and everyone here in the region. And when you come out of the MRT from either the blue line, downtown line, or the green line, it comes straight into this entrance from where all the halls begin. So registration hall 3 and hall 8. So I'm heading to hall 3 now. And my guideline for coming here for, not for this particular event, because by the time this gets published, this event is over, but it's more to do with any event that anyone wants to attend in the future. If you want to come to Singapore Expo, that was the guideline I just showed. And this is on day 1, April 8, 2025. I'm not sure how many days I need to spend over here. I've got meetings lined up today and tomorrow, and let's see how it goes. There's no way I can cover 7 halls all in one day. It probably takes 3 or 4 days, but I'm not sure I'll be here for the entire event. I've got meetings on the first and second day, and I'll try and walk through as much as possible. I'm not sure I'll make a part 2 of the video, but if I do, I will put it at the end of this video. So there's every country on this planet literally represented. You start with China and India, Indonesia, this whole region, and then you move on to products from US, EU, all over Europe. It's strongly represented. And all the way from South America, I've seen stalls from Brazil, Argentina, all of those as well. An area of interest, packaging, vacuum pack. Vacuum packing is the in thing, made in Taiwan. The lady was very kind in explaining how the vacuum packing works, and that's something that I'll definitely explore for future use. The instructions was I don't take videos over there, but they didn't matter. It didn't matter. They didn't care. Here is something else, another one. Oh, pouch filling machines. Look at that. All 3 is dominated by China, and then in between you got all the other countries. Sandwiched. Vietnam is one of them. Very nice and colorful. On the rice that comes from
dry product original from Vietnam.
original. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, thank you.
Must only we export to
Anybody wants some Vietnamese hot sauce? And they got it as well. Fermented. Fantastic. And Ho Chi Minh Company basically is plant-based curries, Vietnamese curry. I'm going to try that. And all of these. Everything is plant-based, vegan. And the nice lady is going to make one of these things for me to taste. The Vietnamese curry. And after Vietnamese chocolate, try the Vietnamese coffee as well. And that over there is Robusta. They're very famous for Robusta. I got one of these to try at home. They also make Arabica, but in very small quantities. And apparently Vietnamese Arabica is more expensive than anywhere else in the world because they grow them in very small quantities. And so Vietnam is mostly Robusta. Very nice flavor. Not too acidic like it. And this is of course Chinese. And look at the food presentation. These are steamed buns. I love this one. Good. This is really good. This even got pandas and dragons.
Lion, tiger, something
Yes,
like that.
really nice. That's nice. Tiger as well. This is very good. And this whole thing is a cake. Right here.
Yeah.
Wow. It's amazing artistry. Very good. Excellent.
Yeah, it's a cake master.
He's the cake master. Yeah. Very pleased to meet you. Honored.
很高兴认识，非常荣幸。
The Japan Pavilion. Those are liqueurs that you see. It's very good. And they've got Japanese strawberry. Remarkably good. All organic. So there's France. Of course, they've got lots of cheese and macarons. Blanc. And they're from the Philippines Food Corporates. And then Folio Fats is basically also Philippines Corporation, and they deal with the Philippine coconut oil products and all other kinds of products as well. Seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna wander around here and maybe make part 2 if I find something interesting, but I suppose this is about a good place as any to end this video. There's a lot of options here for if you're in the F&B industry, and I'm not yet, but maybe someday with my millets I would definitely be looking at some of the options that are available here for post-harvest processing, and also packaging, logistics, distribution. It's a whole different field. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the food industry at the Food and Beverage Show, one of the largest that I've ever been to. Represented by pretty much every country out there that's into manufacture of foods. Tasty travels wherever you go. Ciao for now.